Well, I like that approach because, whether you like it or not, properties need to be maintained. And unfortunately, I think some owners and investors just don't plan for that. They're surprised when something gets broken, and they're upset about it, uh,
Yeah,
or they just put it off because it's not in the budget. There's no money for it. So then it might
right.
turn into
There's
a
no
bigger
that's
problem.
on the budget, right? Exactly, and that's a big deal. So you plan for these and you budget for them.
Mm.
And when you budget for them, you don't use that money. You put it out somewhere else. And then you have this big pile of cash that you can use, for different things, but you have to budget for it. So when you underwrite, and a lot of this happened with reserves right now in COVID with a lot of businesses that are going broke is they didn't have enough cash, enough reserves. And it's part of that monthly, hey, instead of taking all that cash flow and dividing it up into the members or whatever, is hey, yeah, let's take that cash flow, but this is our reserve budget, and that reserve is for capital expenditures, for seasonal maintenance, for unforeseen, legal, whatever, and then you keep that in a separate account. That's really, really important.
Want to hear more on this topic? Click the link below for the full episode of Maximizing Your Property Value.